Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Subaru Forester air filter. First, open your hood and locate the air filter housing, typically a black plastic box near the engine. You will see several clips or screws holding the cover in place. Unfasten these to prepare for removal. Some models may require disconnecting a sensor or loosening a hose clamp for easier access. Once the housing is open, carefully lift out the old air filter. Pay attention to its orientation, as the new one will need to be installed in the same way. Take a moment to inspect the old filter for dirt, leaves, or other debris. This indicates it was doing its job. Before installing the new filter, clean out any loose debris from the air filter box. Now, take your new air filter and ensure it matches the size and type of the old one. Carefully lower the new filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and in the correct orientation. Some filters have a specific direction, so double-check. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover and fasten all clips or screws securely. After securing the housing, double-check that all clips are latched and any disconnected sensors or hoses are reattached and tightened. This simple maintenance task, taking only a few minutes, can significantly improve your engine's performance and fuel economy. Regularly changing your air filter also extends engine life and saves you money on dealership service charges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.